Hi guys, in today's tutorial we will learn how to implement the basic tags in our page. So first of all we will create a new file, a file name like practical, and we must use an extension HTML. Without this extension it won't work, so it's necessary to use this one. Now we will work here, close this one. Now practical page. So start from the HTML. This is the HTML opening tag and this is the closing tag. After HTML we use a tag, head tag. In a head tag, this is the contents which is not shown in the page but it was in the background. So here we use a title of the page. It's a page name or a title like practical page. Then close the heading tags. After the heading tags we use the body tag. In a body tag we use our contents like hello world. Here is the first practical class where we implement basic HTML tags. So this is the contents in the body. Then close the body tag and close the HTML tags. Now see how it look like. Open in live server. Here is the contents of the body text. Hello world. Here is the first practical class where we implement the basic HTML tags. This is the title. This is the title which we have given after the HTML and headings. Inside the heading we use the title and then close the heading of, and then we start body. In the next video we will discuss in details. So for this video this is enough, and thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.